Hendrikodito, architecture, food and art.
Good morning guys, so today we are at the Market Street Interim Market and we are going to actually go to Thian Hock Keng Temple to draw and have fun. Alright, so we are going to head right there, right now, and see you there. Right guys, so today we are actually already arrived at Thian Hock Keng Temple and we are going to draw this side of the temple on the right side of the temple, that's the one that you just saw just now. So we are going to sketch it right now. We're going to be across the street and draw it. I understand. Yeah, sure. Right guys, so today we are going to sketch this very quickly. We are going to use a hot press paper. So hot press, it means that it's actually very shiny. It's very smooth, so the water actually runs through very easily. So we are going to use this to sketch for today because I just feel like it. We're going to do a very quick sketch. Very quick, very easy going. It's super light and fluffy. We're going to use a pencil, brush pen, as well as watercolor and tissue paper. Watercolor. We're going to go dry it out, then after we'll modify it with a bit of pencil lines as well. So you can see that this is very interesting because it looks really nice. I think like it's coming together very well. Beautiful. We are doing the second layer of the drawing, which is the shadow layer. So this is already the baseline. We're going to take the shadow. So we can see that this is getting coming together. Now I'm going to actually do a very smooth, very easy going, smooth 3 layer. We're going to use the color yellow. We are going to add some very light blue, some light green behind. Still painting negatively, just to give indication of trees behind. And small shadows. Some of the leaves for the front complement the yellow. And then we are finally at the end sketching, which is adding the details on the buildings itself. And we'll do the process to pop the building in front. Make it pop. Now I'm going to use pencil to actually give the details of everything that we see. I'm going to use this pencil to help me. Usually people will sketch with the pencil first, but not me. And that is super interesting. That is almost the end. I've already signed it, but I want to add some clouds actually. Let's put some clouds right here. Intense clouds. And use tissue to actually dab it out. That is it guys. That that is our sketch for today. So I really enjoy our sketch today. It's very clear, very clean, and I hope you like it. And this is my mic, a very cute one. So see you again next time. Bye bye. Hendrikodito,
Architecture, food and art.